Okay, today I'm going to be showing us how to make a healthy, natural blood booster drink. A drink that would help your blood level. Now, anemia, also known as low blood levels, can be a major cause of fatigue, dizziness, and other blood deficiency related symptoms or illnesses. If you've been feeling fatigued, that's very tired and weak a lot, and dizzy, especially when you bend and get back up, it's possible that your blood level is low. It's possible that you have a certain level of anemia. So you may want to go to the hospital and get yourself checked. Alright, but in the meantime, if it is not too bad, you may want to try this blood booster drink. And sometimes don't wait until you start to feel these symptoms. Once in a while, every now and then, try this out, okay? Now, there are a range of foods and vegetables that can boost your blood or your iron production in your system, and this is just one of them, okay? There are many more out there, but this is a very simple and effective way. Now, the ingredients are: 1. Pumpkin leaf, which is known in parts of Nigeria as your ugu. A small bunch of pumpkin leaf, you can get that at the market. And now, this pumpkin leaf is rich in iron and it's rich in many other vitamins. Very, very good for you. And it's a quick blood booster that has been proven. The next is your tomato puree or tomato paste. You have that in tins, you have that in sachets, so get your tomato paste ready. If you're using the sachets, I'm aware that there are some tomato paste that come with a mix of onions and pepper. That's not the one to use. Just use the one that is plain tomatoes. Okay, so if you're using the sachet, you may just need 1 or 2 sachets for that mug or that bottle. And then if you're using the one from the tin, you may just need about 2 tablespoons of the paste. This paste is rich in vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron. Okay, so you're taking the iron you need. You can't just take iron. Remember, you need to take vitamin C to help the iron get absorbed by your body. Also, it's rich in B-carotene. Your tomato paste, remember, it's tomatoes, it's rich in B-carotene. The next ingredient is your malt drink. Different brands of malt drink: Maltina, Amstel malt, and so on. Your malt drink is usually rich in B vitamins, the B complex. It's fortified with B vitamins. So you have various brands of malt drinks. So just go to your store and purchase some malt cans or bottles of malt drink. And then you have your evaporated full cream milk. It comes in tins as well. Your evaporated milk is rich in proteins, is rich in vitamins. So you want to get your evaporated full cream milk. A tin should do for this jug or this mug of drink, okay? If you're making twice this amount, then you can use 2 tins and so on. You would also need a blender, and then you would need your mug or your jug or your bottle, anything that you would be able to store your drink in and store in the refrigerator. These are the ingredients that we need for our blood booster drink. Okay, so just have these 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients handy. Now, the way to go about it is wash your leaves thoroughly. If you just bought the leaves from the market, I'll suggest that you buy them whole. Okay, some people chop them before they get home. They chop them at the market where they buy it, but I suggest that you take them home whole, and then when you wash them, just put the leaves in a bowl of water and wash every single leaf. You would have to take time out to do that. Wash every single leaf just in water. Change the water because you'll notice sand at the bottom of your bowl. So rinse it out 3 times, 4 times, as long as you still see some sand. Rinse it out properly. Then you would want to cut off the stalk. Just remain the leaf alone. Remove every stalk from it, and then you have your pumpkin leaves or your ugu leaves ready. Now you would want to grind this in a blender. Take it to your blender, put some water, and grind it properly. If your blades are sharp, you're in luck. It's going to grind it very smooth and bring out a lot of juice for you. Now you grind that and put in your sieve and strain it. So you would have the fiber, you have the parts of the leaves that didn't dissolve, okay, and then you have your juice. So you strain it for the juice. The next thing you want to do is put that juice, the leaf juice, back in your blender and add your tomato paste in it, and then put on your machine and let it blend. Let it mix it together, okay? Let them blend properly. Now you pour this solution into a mug, and then you add your milk, your evaporated milk, and you stir it gently. Okay, put it in a mug that is a little bigger so that you don't have anyone spilling out. Okay, so gently add in your malt drink. I'll suggest that before adding in your malt drink, you pour your malt drink into a glass so that you get rid of all the carbon. All right, and then pour the plain malt drink into that solution and then stir gently. Okay, so when you stir this, put them in your bottles, in your glass, in your jug, your jar, whatever you want to put them in, and place in your refrigerator. Now take it immediately if you like. If you want it cold, you can take it cold or cool, not necessarily very cold, but I suggest that you take it immediately. Okay, because you want to get the best of all the nutrients immediately. So take this immediately. If you can't finish it, you can refrigerate the remaining and take it for later. So do this for every day. You can take a glass every day, once a day, twice a day is okay, and do this for about 5 days, and you would notice a change in your energy level. You notice that you're stronger, you're no longer so dizzy, and so on. So I hope that this helps you, because like I say, it did help me and help people that I know. Don't just do this and sit at home, okay? Do it to help you to up your energy level, but go and see your doctor for further attention. All right? Now, after taking this solution for a while, if you start to add weight and you are not fine with that, you can do it for a while and then stop. Okay, because for some people you may add some weight, you may put on some weight. So if this is making you put on too much weight, either you stop or you reduce your milk and reduce your malts and just leave your pumpkin leaf and your tomato puree at the same quantity. Like I always say, these are solutions that have helped me and have helped others that I know. So try this out for morning and night for 5 days, and I hope that it helps you. For more tips and more remedies, stay tuned on PakateWellnessTv. Meanwhile, if you like these tips that I'm bringing you, if you like these remedies that I'm bringing you, do click on the like, give it a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, watch the other videos and give them a thumbs up as well. And do not forget to subscribe. You can subscribe to the channel by clicking the big red subscribe button to the right hand side of this video. Thank you so much. So have a great time and stay blessed.